Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add money from a bank to Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Open the app and sign in. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Linked Banks under the Accounts and Settings section. Next, tap Link Bank and agree to the terms and conditions. You will see a list of financial institutions. Select your bank and enter your login credentials. Once your bank is successfully linked, it will appear under the Linked Banks section. Now, to transfer money, go back to the home screen and tap the Money or Banking tab. Choose Add Money, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. If your bank account has sufficient funds, the money will be added to your Cash App balance instantly or within a short processing time. So that's basically how you can add money from a bank to Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.